In this section, we are going to add the Ion footer, and we are going to see how to make use of the Ionic in-app browser native plugin, so that once we add a link and the user clicks on it, it's going to open up the in-app browser so the user can view the page based on the link that was provided. First, before we visit this page, we need to add the Ion footer. So right at the bottom here, we're going to add the Ion footer after our Ion content. So inside at the bottom, after the Ion content, we're going to add Ion footer. Inside the Ion footer, I will just add a button, and you can decide to use maybe Ion toolbar to wrap the button, but I will just put mine for now. Then inside, I will add the property Ion button. So this is going to be a button. Then I'll add icon start. So the button is going to start on the left side of the Ion footer. Inside, I'll just type view open weather map. Now you can add any link, add any text you want to. For now, I'm not going to add yet the function, so that when the user clicks, it's going to open up the link. I'll save this, go back to the browser. You can see right here, we have the footer at the bottom. No stars are there to it yet. So what I want to do now is, right here on ionicframework.com, you can go to native plugins. So you click on native plugins. We want to look at the in-app browser plugin. So you can just search for it, in-app browser. And right here, I can click and it's going to open up the documentation. Now it says launches in-app browser. Now to get started, we need to install the Cordova plugin in-app browser, and also we need to install the Ionic native in-app browser. So I'll go first with the Ionic Cordova plugin, add Cordova plugin in-app browser. So you do the same, install both plugins. So I'll copy this from here, then go into my page, open up the terminal. So right here, I'll paste in the code. Here, I'll hit enter. Wait for it to install the plugin. And maybe I can open another terminal so that I will install the Ionic native in-app browser plugin as well. So I'll copy this as well. Wait for this to show, then I'll paste. So now I'll wait for both plugins to be installed. So I have both plugins installed. Now the next thing I need to do, as usual, as it says here, add this plugin to your apps module. So I'll go into app.module.ts, and then somewhere here, I'm going to import in-app browser from @Ionic native / in-app browser. After importing, add into the providers array. So I'll add it right here. So now we've imported and added the in-app browser plugin to the providers array. So I'm going to save this, go back to the documentation. You can see the supported platforms are Amazon Fire, Android browser, iOS, Mac OS, Windows. Now to use the in-app browser, we just need to import in-app browser, and to use the options, there's another plugin we can import, in-app browser options. In the next video, we are going to see how to make use of this in-app browser native plugin.